Now, it's dessert time, and this week, we're going to turn up the heat on our commies with Danny and Phil cooking a dessert of their choice. Phil.
How are we, Gordon?
So what are we doing?
Doing a chocolate fondant, mate.
Yep. Between now and midnight, I want you to forget the word mate and just remember the word Gordon, because I'm not your mate. Where did the idea come from?
Raymond Blanc.
Who?
Raymond Blanc.
I can't hear you.
I'm sure you can go.
Has anyone heard of Raymond Blanc before?
It's based on that, but I use...
It's based on Raymond Blanc. How dare you come to the F word with all those French fighting right now, and you want to bring in a chocolate fondant? Huh? Dear, oh dear. So you got the egg yolks, lightly whisked, and what's in the egg white? You take to like a stiff peak, or...?
Yeah, also a soft peak.
Can you sit it on top of your head?
I could. Yeah, we're all right with that one.
That's a brave move. That's all right, that one. Well done. And if they don't come out and they stick to the mould, you can blame the French. Is that right?
That's right, Gordon.
Fantastic.
That's right.
That's a brave move there, you know that. So, Phil's choice is the chocolate fondant, which is a very, very brave choice because they're so difficult to get right. And you never know when they're perfect and just until you're about to serve them. So when we cook them in the restaurant, we always cook two, just in case one's about to collapse or somewhat dry in the middle. Can never happen in a restaurant. Now, Danny's playing it really safe. He's just making a very straightforward, plain Jane pancake. But I have to say, I admire his balls to keep it so simple. What's inside the pancake?
Inside the pancake is going to be vanilla poached pear.
Uh-huh.
On top of the pancake is going to be just like a dark chocolate sauce.
So what you put in there?
What have I put in there?
Yeah.
Sugar, 1 cup, 2 vanilla pods, fresh.
Yeah. Can I suggest you turn it down a little bit?
Turn
when
it
the
down,
poached pear is
yeah.
poached, not rapidly boiling, yeah? Still can't believe you come in here with a Frenchman's recipe. Dear, oh dear. Let's hope that works.
Especially for you, Gordon.
Especially for me.
Especially
you know I love
you.
the French.
It's the moment of truth for the two commies and their puddings.
They're both very different desserts, and they're going to be judged by, the Women's Institute of Fulham. Jean-Baptiste, go with the pancake, please. I'll take the chocolate fondant. Let's go. OK, ladies. That is chocolate fondant.
Oh, that looks good. Very soft and just sort of falls away, which is good, but it's not dry and crumbly. So I think that gives them a thumbs up.
I like the fact it's not that sweet. It's very, very nice. It's actually not very heavy. It's
not,
nice and light.
I'm fascinated on the whole sort of Women's Institute becoming a younger, vibrant, sexier sort of group. What the going on?
Well, I think there's a resurgence. Just like knitting's becoming cool, the WI's coming cool because we're much more younger, and I think we're coming back to what, being practical is sexy again.
But you don't look like a lady from the WI, for goodness sake.
Well, that's good that we're flying the flag, but it's all changing. It's all changing.
Dear. Second dessert, a very simple poached pear in a warm pancake.
The presentation looks really good. The pears, they're not crunchy at all, so that's
That's nice.
Yet they're not sloppy. So they're just the right texture.
And the chocolate's nice with it as well.
Keep going, oh, this is really nice, and the pancake is really lovely.
So, like a vote, chocolate fondant or crepe?
I think the crepe, which surprises me because normally I'm a chocolate freak and I would absolutely love it, but actually the pears were superb and I really enjoyed the crepe.
Crepe. It will be
Crepe.
crepe. Definitely the crepe.
Definitely the crepe.
Definitely the crepe.
The crepe, and I don't even like pears.
It's going to be 5 out of 5.
Crepe.
Dear.
Dear, oh dear.
Definitely, it's the crepe.
Nigella or Delia?
Nigella.
Oh, yes! Meat or fish?
Meat.
Meat.
I'll get fish.
And finally, just before I go, me or Jamie?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah! Ladies, thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you very much. Whew. Well, that was a lovely bunch of WI members from Fulham. Amazing ladies. Very constructive, very critical. The winning dessert, the dessert that the diners are going to be eating tonight is the pancake.
Yeah.
Well done. Now,
Thank you.
You haven't won the overall thing, however, you're definitely going to be serving your dessert tonight. And knowing you, you're going to take it on the chin like a man and really help this man with the dessert.
Oh, definitely.
Right, ladies, I need some help in the kitchen, yeah? You're all experts, right? Yeah? OK, let's go. No, not washing up. A little bit more exciting than that, you know that. Yeah? I want some real WI pancakes. Go, table 8. Go, you got 2 more to come. I need 2 more pancakes, followed by 4 more, ladies, yes? Did you toss perfectly?
Perfectly.
Do it again for me, show me.
So, yeah, you can. It's fantastic. Now I need 5 more portions, ladies. Table 8. So how does that feel, having the whole dining room eating your dessert?
Yeah, it feels good.
You weren't confident at all.
No.
It's quite amazing what's just happened. You've just served 60 customers with your dessert.
And it shows how the simple tactic pulled
Yes.
off.
Excuse me. For God's sake.